I am from Udupi, Karnataka.
Oh, you're from Karnataka. I'm from city Sitapur.
Where? I didn't get you. Hello?
It's an Uttar Pradesh city near Lucknow.
Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yeah.
Your bandwidth is low, right?
Yep. I guess so.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you said Uttarakhand, right? You're from, where are you from?
UP.
UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, okay. So how is the situation there? Like any lockdown? Here is full lockdown from last 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's the complete lockdown in Uttar Pradesh. There were elections for 29 in April.
Mm-hmm.
Right after the elections, the judgment was on 2nd of May. And before, after that, it's lockdown, total lockdown.
Okay, great. So, like whatever breakthrough you caused yesterday, no, we will go again next level, deeper level today. Okay. So,
Sure.
just a minute.
Yeah.
I will share the screen. Okay. So, what is the topic today? Can you tell me? Do you know what is the topic today? Have you read?
Sorry, I didn't went through it.
Can you read in WhatsApp group? It is there. Today topic.
Yeah, sure. Just a second. Just a minute. Shyness to shine next. Yesterday was freedom from fear, anger, and self-doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no topic today. I thought, I'm guessing you forgot to put up the topic today.
No, you have to go back to the another post. It is there actually.
Yeah, and they're in the WhatsApp group itself.
Okay, just a minute. So you can see before that post. Can you see? Oh, it is so far away. Okay. So today's topic is this. Can you see now?
Okay, identify your own self-worth and connect deeply with yourself and enjoy.
Yeah, can you tell it louder? Connect.
Identify your own self-worth and connect deeply with yourself and enjoy.
Yeah. So identify yourself, right? Okay.
Yes, self-worth.
So, like you said, like your name, right? Your name is Pranshu Shukla, right?
Yes.
So name. So there is a, like what you say, like your name is Pranshu Shukla. Is it a truth?
Like for this worldly thing, it's truth that I am assigned a name Pranshu Shukla, so I am Pranshu Shukla.
Is it truth?
Yeah.
Okay. And my persona, is it a truth? My person, I am like, what you
No
say,
idea.
what is your persona? I am shy introvert, like what, like what, how you
Oh,
relate
like
it?
that. Like
Yeah,
I am an analytical person.
my persona is analytical. Is it a truth?
It's a belief.
Yeah, everything is belief, right? Like, is it a truth?
Mhm.
What do you say? Yes or no? Belief.
No, it's not a truth. It's because I've been through those incidents in my life and I have impressions of those things on my mind. So I believe myself to be that, but it might not be the truth. I might be a different personality as personality keeps on changing na, with experiences.
Mm-hmm. Okay, from how many years you are analytical? From how long?
No, there is nothing like how long I have been analytical. I just believe myself to be analytical. I just
From how many
recognize
years?
that thing that I am analytical with things. I'm
From how many years?
like by birth. That's my nature.
Okay, by birth, right? So
Uh-huh.
now let's talk about name. Okay, there is a truth. Okay, there is a truth, and another one is created truth. Okay,
Okay.
like my name is, like you say, what is my name is
Mm-hmm.
Pranshu, right?
Pranshu.
Pranshu. Is it a truth or created truth?
It's a created truth.
Right,
Hmm.
right. So, but
Mm-hmm.
but till now, is it occurring as created truth, or it is a truth for you till now? Like
No,
before,
for me, it's yeah. For me, it was the truth up till now. I didn't differentiate it between the created truth and the real truth.
right? So my, like, why it is created truth? Like, how you prove that it is a created truth? Can you tell me?
Um, like before me, something like this never existed. I never existed, so this name never existed. When I came to be, so I was assigned a name. Maybe my parents assigned me something. So it's like it's up to their will what they want to name me. So they created this. This is not
Right,
something universal. Like the sun rises in the east, it's a truth. It's a universal truth. But a name being assigned to me, it's a created truth because they suggested me.
yeah,
They just nomenclatured me like that.
right. And your name, like you born in certain religion, right? And a certain family, and they
Mm-hmm.
have given
Mm-hmm.
the your name. Okay, if you are
Mm-hmm.
born in a foreign country, your name will be Andy, right? Or something else they will name,
Mm-hmm.
right? If you are born in Christian family, they will
Yep.
name it
Yep.
differently. In Muslim family, they will name it
Yeah.
differently, right? And also few
Mm-hmm.
people
Mm-hmm.
you see, because of some religion beliefs, they will change their name because like because of astrology, you heard many people change their name, right?
Huh. Mm-hmm.
Legally they will change their name because, like, in astrology they will say this name is not suitable, right, for you. It will not give you a growth.
Mm-hmm.
When they say that, some people, they will change their name, right? So this is the created truth, right? And another thing you said, sunrise in,
East.
sunrise is in east.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it a sunrise? Is it a truth?
Yeah, it's a real truth.
Okay. Is it a real truth? I'm
Yeah, it
asking
is.
again. It is a real truth or created truth?
It's a real truth.
So, like science has been proved, like sun never rise or go down, right? It is that earth is moving,
Mm-hmm.
right? Earth is moving,
Mm-hmm.
right? Sun is here only. Okay, earth is moving
Uh-huh.
around it. Earth is moving.
Uh-huh.
When earth comes here for us, night. In the foreign country, it will be morning,
It will be day. Huh.
day, right? Again, sun,
Mhm.
earth moves, right? Sun is not
Yeah.
moving anywhere. Sun is here only. Okay,
Mhm.
like sun arises, sun not arises. That is the created truth.
Okay.
Okay, can you see that? Like sun never go anywhere.
Mm.
Sun is here only.
We just
The
believe that it's rising up because the earth is moving around,
that
but
is
it
the created
revolving.
truth. Okay,
Yeah.
in science you studied like earth will be revolving, but we will not experience it, like,
Mhm.
right? But we, what we
Mhm.
see is sun is moving around,
The sun
right?
rising.
Right, actually
Mhm.
sun is not rising anywhere. Like sun is here only, right? The
Yeah, the earth is rotating
earth
around.
will rotating like this. Okay, sun is fixed here,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
It is a created truth.
Mhm.
Okay, like created
Mhm.
truth can be like if you see something, you can imagine that that is the truth, right? And so
Mhm.
many researches done on earth, like earth was flat, somebody discovered earth is flat, then so many arguments
Mhm.
happened, so many
Mhm.
people, scientists, it proved that
Mhm.
earth is moving, right? Earth is moving
Mhm.
like around, like, right? But we will not experience like we are moving somewhere. Only when we are traveling in
Mhm.
bus or something, car, we see that earth is like
Mhm.
everything is moving. Other than that, we will not
Mhm.
experience earth is moving, right?
Mhm.
So this is the created
Mhm.
truth. Okay, and my
Okay. Okay.
personality is the created truth, or
Is
else is a
developed.
so
It's a created truth.
personality is not a created truth actually, right? Personality is the truth.
Why so?
So you have to tell me why it is so.
Like if I keep telling myself that I am sad and I just keep on repeating those thoughts in myself, then my personality would be something that I actually become sad.
Right,
Like I can develop my personality as per my wish now. So it's a created truth, I guess. Why is
so,
it a real truth?
right, so like one side personality is the truth, but personality, I am analytical, right? I am analytical,
Mhm.
analytical. This is the created truth. I am
Hmm?
short temper. I am short temper.
Mhm.
This is the created truth. But personality is the
Hmm.
truth, because when you born, no, you will cry. Okay, you will get angry, right? You will cry. You will be happy, right? When a child born, it will cry. After that, it will laugh, right? Maybe just like born few days also, you see child is laughing, child is crying. At least two personalities you will see, you will experience,
Mhm.
right? So like you are born with multiple personalities, right? When kid, no, kid, like watches the movie like Superman, he will become Superman, like he will
Okay.
jump, like I am a Superman. Like he watches a doctor, he will be like, doctor, I am doctor, I will check your thing, or I'll check your dot how is, like if he sees something no doctor is doing, he will come and do like this, I'm doctor, how is your heartbeat, something he will do, right?
Mhm.
Or he sees the mom washing clothes, he will go and wash clothes, right? So he will be like, he watches something, he will become very bold, he will sing a song, somebody is saying something, he will start singing, maybe he don't know, he will be very bold, right? So multiple
Mhm.
personality, you born with multiple personality, right? That is the truth. But
Okay.
I am short temper, this is the created truth, you created that, maybe because of some circumstances you believed.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
I am
Uh-huh.
analytical, like when you say I am analytical, no, you have a fixed, like you will be like this only, this is the, you are putting
Mhm.
a box, or you are putting a jail, like you are
Mhm.
inside the jail now, like I am
Mhm.
analytical, I am short temper,
Mhm.
then it
Mhm.
is like you are in a jail, you only
Mhm.
work like that. Or if you think you are a shy, then you will be like shy in front of people, like you behave like a shy,
Mhm.
right? So what happens when you don't know created truth, you believe that that is the truth,
Mhm.
right? So when
When
you
we don't know the difference.
right, when you believe that that is the truth, and you will behave like that only. if you
Mhm.
if you are labeled yourself as a shy person, any new person comes, you will
Mhm.
behave like a shy only, because
Yeah.
that is the truth for you. You think that that is what I am.
Mhm.
In schools and all, they will also start labeling, like he is a good guy, he is a smart person, right? He is not good,
Mhm.
right? He is a shy, right? From childhood they start labeling every people. So
Mhm.
when they label, no, what happens, like you will think like, oh, I am like that. When you believe, when you agree to that, no, you will become like that. When you like I am not like
Mhm.
that, when you say, you will create
Like
some
when I
other truth.
accept that thought, I would be that.
Yeah, when you
Mhm.
accept it, like people may say many things, but only it will become true for you when you accept it, right?
Mhm.
Maybe because of one or two incidents you are analytical, somebody told you, or
Mhm.
some things happened, right? You thought that I
Mhm.
am analytical person,
Mhm.
right? And from that
Mhm.
day onwards, you will behave like
Mhm.
analytical, you would do things like analytical, like most of the life
Mhm.
spent analytically, right? And nothing
Mhm.
bad
Mhm.
in being analytical,
Mhm.
right? Or nothing good about being analytical, right?
Mhm.
when you
It's
when
just a thing, just a nature.
it is just a one type of a personality, like you have,
Mhm.
it will limit you. We are not talking about good or bad, like it will limit you somewhere, like maybe,
Mhm.
like analytical person, how it limit you in your life, like how it can limit you to accomplish whatever you want, like how it is limiting you in your life.
Like it gives me a sort of uh, confinement in myself.
Okay,
Like
so
whenever I think of doing something, I already have an impression of me that I am an analytical person. So I could do things the other way out, but because of that impression in my mind, I just go on to be thinking like an analytical person.
right, okay, and how it is impacting in relationship, like in your relationship with your people, like analytical is very good at your work. Maybe you are technical guy, are you
Mhm.
technical like a person, or like are you studying technical things,
No, no, I'm
or
not.
engineering
No,
something?
I'm pursuing commerce.
You are commerce,
No,
okay.
no, I'm pursuing commerce.
CA, you want to pursue CA or something, or like in commerce what you are pursuing?
Yeah, I am pursuing CA.
Okay, So like why you pursue CA is like there is so much analytical work is there in that. You like that work.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So there is so much calculation, so much you have to figure out, like how, where money went, where it came back, what is the tax, right? So much analytical work involved in that. Okay. Mostly analytical persons will be like that kind of a person, profession they will choose. Like it will be something analytical should be involved in it.
Mhm.
Engineering or like CA, like something they want to analyze more. They like to analyze more because you relate yourself as analytical. You like to analyze
Mhm.
more. So
Mhm.
you didn't choose the profession. Your personality will choose the profession.
Mhm.
Okay. And it is very good. Like you will be very good in your this analytically doing in work. Okay. But it will impact you
Mhm.
in family, like how it will in relationship it is impacting, how it is limiting you. Can you see something, or in job?
Like I feel disconnected.
Hello. Yeah, now you are audible.
At times I feel like I'm disconnected, like I'm not amongst the other gentry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, why you think like that?
Hello.
Yeah, why you think like that?
It's like I have a much more practical approach to things than other people. Other people have an emotional angle. I
Yeah,
literally don't have that emotional angles with things. I go practical. I analyze things and
yeah,
I just do them.
yeah. What happens, no? Like if you see in your family, mom will say something to you to do, you will take so much time to do that because you will be thinking, analyzing about it, right? Like emotional people will do like emotional they will take the decision, right? If your mother is emotional, like they want something, or they are attached to something emotional, they want it quick. Okay. But when
Mhm.
say to you, you will be like analyzing that, like you will analyze so much that it will take so much time to complete. And in between that your mom will get angry, like how much time you will taking, right? Or you don't understand me, something,
Mhm.
anything happened like this in your family, with your parents
No,
or?
but, they do feel like I am a practical person. It's like someone in my relation or some of our relatives, someone gets ill. So my family members, they tend to call them immediately and ask them out. How are they doing? What else? So I don't matter. Those things that doesn't matter much to me. I'm like
Hmm.
concise in my own work. I'm happy in my life. So I do it that way. I care for them. It's not that I don't care for them,
Yes.
but being practical, I think, okay, that's normal. They've got ill, they'll just recover up. Or if someone of some of my relative dies, so I have an approach. Okay, death has to happen. So why to be sad for that? That has to happen. So let's be chill on that, and
Yeah.
let's not stress it out.
See, yeah,
So
see
I
your,
simply accept that thing. They get
yeah,
very emotional on the same topic.
yes. So you start analyzing about the things. Anything happens, you start analyzing it, right?
Yeah, I tend to go with the practical approach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like, okay, death happened. This might have happened 10 years later, but it has happened right now. So it's not a big deal. And one way or the other, the person was going to die itself. So let's keep it.
Mm-hmm. So you start analyzing about the what happened, right? Always, right? That is like that is your power. Like when you relate yourself, anything people will say, you will first start analyzing that, right? According to your past beliefs, or according to the you grown up, you start analyzing that situation, right? Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. So our
Yes,
screen
Satish.
again got disappeared. Okay, fine, we got disconnected. Just a minute. So just a minute. So we are speaking about truth, created truth. And now you know that personality, like the created personality. And like, can you hear me, Pranshu? Hi, Arkadip. Welcome. Can you hear us? Pranshu?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. So, like, which personality you like you want to create for yourself?
I feel like I'm fine with me. I have no will of changing myself.
No, I want you to see like there is a limitation of being analytical, because
Mhm.
you may miss many opportunity because of analyzing. Have you experienced any opportunity you missed because of you took so much time to analyze that? Have you missed that?
No, it's not about missing opportunities, but I usually feel less connected with the people around.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you can be like connected with people because you can create any personality, but with people, like whichever works, like personality, like if you select one personality, you have multiple personalities, right? If you have multiple
Mhm.
personalities, you can use them as a tool, right?
Mhm.
Whenever you want, you can use them as a tool for your success. Okay, in
Mhm.
family, like what kind of personality works, you can create that kind of personality with family. Okay,
Mhm.
right, so that your relationship with family will grow. Okay,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
so like that, like you can create any personality, you can create a bold personality, you can create analytical, right? You can create
Mhm.
any kind of personality that is suitable for that situation, so that like nature has given
Mhm.
us multiple personalities so that we can use and develop ourselves.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you are not using many personalities you have, if you are using only analytical, it will limit you. Maybe you are not seeing right now the limitations of it, you only little bit you are seeing, but in future you will see many
Mhm.
things.
Mhm.
Okay, so that like which personality you like to be, like you have one analytical personality. Okay, I'm not telling you to change or something. Okay, this is not about
Mhm.
changing something. So how you can
Mhm.
develop, it is all about that. Analytic is not bad or good.
Okay.
Okay, it may
Uh-huh.
like limit you
Mhm.
somewhere. Okay, it may stop you
Mhm.
to take action many times.
Mhm.
When you analytically start thinking, no, it may stop you to take action. May sometimes it
Mhm.
may faster action to take to get the opportunity. If you get the opportunity, if you didn't take, you may miss that, right?
Mhm.
Right, so you can
Mhm.
create the personality you want, right? And I am a short temper, that kind of a personality. When you we believe that I am a short temper, what happens, it
Then
will
I'll be
always,
short tempered.
right, you will behave like a short temper. Okay, you believe that you are a
Mhm.
short temper, right?
Mhm.
Then you will act like that only, because the context will create everything, right?
Mhm.
Your context is like I am analytical, then you will work like that only. If your context
Mhm.
is I am a short temper, then you will behave, act, everything, think everything in that way, right? Like personality is
Mhm.
the base. Okay,
Mhm.
from
Mhm.
personality only you will become someone. Like before, no, like in 15 years I lived life like I am a shy person, introvert, right?
Mhm.
I am not good enough.
Mhm.
Okay, I am a
Mhm.
failure. or I am
Mhm.
very small, I don't know English, right? I'm not studied. Okay,
Mhm.
when I believed that and I lived that life, no, 15 years I lived like that only. My thinking will be like that only, my actions will be like that. When I want to change
Okay.
that, I will go, but I will fail, right?
Mhm.
Like I don't, like I want to propose a girl. Okay, I took,
Mhm.
yes, 5 years to propose her.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens, like that, like, because why I am being believing myself as I am a shy person, I can't talk, like I can't tell, how can I tell, right?
Mhm.
I am not a bold person to
Mhm.
go and tell her or go and propose her, right?
Mhm.
Right.
Mhm.
So when I am saying I'm analytical, I will think more, like if you want to propose a girl, you can't go directly and propose. You start thinking,
Mhm.
like you will start calculating plus and minus, right?
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
you will analyze so much, then,
Mhm.
so what happens, it will stop you to take action, right? You can practically go and ask her or say something, when then you can see, but what happens, it may stop you. Okay, so it's like that, like I lived like that. Okay, when I came to know that there is a truth and created truth. Okay, and whatever I believe myself, that is not me actually, right? And my name, there is a network issue, I think got disconnected again. Pranshu, can you hear me?